Hello everyone, my name is Ajay Poddar. I am part of Informatica GCS team. As a part of today's presentation, we are going to see how to create Microsoft Fabric Data Warehouse connection in CDI or in CDI Elastic product. As a part of today's presentation, we are going to see on this agenda. First one, Microsoft Fabric Data Warehouse overview, Microsoft Fabric Data Warehouse connection properties, how to create a Microsoft Fabric Data Warehouse connection, and the demo. Now let's try to understand what is Microsoft Fabric Data Warehouse. Microsoft Fabric Data Warehouse is a cloud-based platform that helps manage and analyze large amount of data. It combines data storage with advanced analytics and integrate well with other Microsoft tools. It is designed to be scalable, secure, and efficient for modern data needs. The key features are unified data platform, scalability, integration, advanced analytics, and security. Now from identity side, we'll see how we can create the connection and what are the mandatory details to be specified while creating the connection. So these are the connection properties for Microsoft Fabric Data Warehouse Connector. You can give any connection name, description which is optional, type here will be Microsoft Fabric Data Warehouse Connection. You need to enable the Fabric Data Warehouse Connection in runtime environment if you have not enabled the Fabric Data Warehouse Connection. Then you need to specify the runtime environment where you have enabled the Fabric Data Warehouse Connection. For the rest of the details like SQL connection string, client ID, client secret, tenant ID, workspace, database, you need to get it from the Azure admin and update the parameters accordingly. Please refer this documentation if you need any additional information on Microsoft Fabric Data Warehouse Connector. Now let's go on demo on how we can create the Microsoft Fabric Data Warehouse connection. So log into your IDMC console, and the first step will be enabling the Fabric Data Warehouse connection from the runtime environment. Select the runtime environment and click on enable or disable service connectors. Click on connectors, search for the Fabric. So once you search for the Fabric, you will see the list of the Fabric connector. So currently we are now creating connection for the Fabric Data Warehouse connection. Check this Fabric Data Warehouse connection box and click on OK. Once you click on OK, the Fabric Data Warehouse connection will be enabled on this runtime environment. Now click on connection for creating the new connection. So once you click on new connection, this UI will be pop up. So mention the connection name as a Fabric Data Warehouse. Select the type of the connection from here which you have enabled on the runtime environment. That will be Microsoft Fabric Data Warehouse connection. So once you click on this type, it will list the these all properties which need to be updated accordingly for creating the Microsoft Fabric Data Warehouse connection. So runtime environment will be the runtime environment which you have where you have enabled the Fabric Data Warehouse connection. And for these rest of the details, as I have mentioned, that you need to get these details from your Azure admin and update the parameters accordingly. Additionally, we have a schema name section here. You can specify the schema name. It is not a mandatory property. Schema name will be a name of the schema in Microsoft Fabric Data Warehouse where the tables are stored. So I have already created a connection with the Fabric Warehouse details. Now let's perform the test connection. Okay, the test connection is fine for me. Now let's try to import the table from this Fabric Data Warehouse connection. Go to data integration and create a new mapping. Select on the source and select the connection, Fabric Warehouse connection. Select the object. As you can see, all the schema is getting listed as I haven't specified the schema name in the connection attribute. If you want to limit the schema name to be listed, then update the schema name from the connection attribute. So now I'm selecting the DBO and we'll be importing emp underscore data table. So now we are successfully able to import the table. You can use this Fabric Data Warehouse connection as a source or target object in CDI and in CDI advanced mode. We'll love to hear from you. You can send us a mail to supportvideos@informatica.com or tweet us on http://twitter.com/infasupport. Thank you.